Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Finance Zone. MrBeast is a pseudonym for the YouTuber named Jimmy Donaldson, someone who has managed to get past the noise on YouTube and gain recognition from millions of fans all over the world. MrBeast is known to make handsome amounts of donations on his YouTube channel to mere strangers, which has often raised a lot of questions on how does MrBeast make money? Today, we're going to be talking about ways that MrBeast made his 1 billion empire on YouTube. Make sure you stay until number 1, as you don't want to miss how MrBeast earns his biggest profits. Number 8. Advertising revenue. MrBeast earns from $3 to $10 for each 1,000 viewers' engagement. So guess how much he earns when his videos are getting billions of viewers? This is the most common way to earn money on social media. MrBeast profits from his uploaded videos because he's getting advertisement offers, which can amount to about 55% of any advertisement's revenue that appears on YouTube. Basically, MrBeast gets his earnings from ads through the YouTube AdSense Program. Here, ads are being embedded on the YouTube channel page that is expected to earn the revenue from channel viewership. If there are ads earnings to share, YouTube will get 45%, and MrBeast, who is the owner of the channel, gets 55% of the ad revenue as a commission. There is no fast and simple way to estimate your earnings as a YouTube partner because the experiences differ on the site. For example, a small ad on YouTube that goes out in Argentina will pay less than an ad shown in San Francisco for a large car company. Number 7. Affiliate links. Promoting affiliate links is often an enormous earning opportunity for channels that supply in-depth product reviews. For example, MrBeast often recommends a product or company on his video and a user visits the link to buy it. Then, he starts earning his commissions for each referral. If you notice in his video descriptions, he often places these links within the first few lines of his descriptions and talks about the link in his video content. That's a huge profit potential. But the profits differ from site to site, with his profit for promoting affiliate links ranging between 10 and 40% of the product's price. When MrBeast posts affiliate links on YouTube Vice, he also posts the same leads and promotional affiliate links on his blog. Don't forget that viewers don't follow these links unless they believe he is a trusted resource. To build trust with his audience, he helps them solve concrete problems and supply tutorials. As a bonus, he creates videos that supply solutions that he has personally experienced himself. There are lots of affiliate programs for him to join. He may join many alternative programs in one place on a preferred affiliate network like Sok or Amazon. Number 6. Relying on brand deals from companies. It all started when he got his first brand deal from a company called Quinn, which gave him $10,000. He probably said, "Wow, that's a lot of money," and then immediately went outside and gave it to a homeless person. MrBeast told the homeless man that he is a YouTuber and that he was going around giving random people $1,000 each. MrBeast asked the homeless man if he wanted to take the $10,000. The homeless man was in disbelief, saying to MrBeast that this was the best day of his life. Number 5. Donation from fans. MrBeast relied on donations from his fans when he had less than 1,000 subscribers. This wasn't as easy as you would think, since people hate spending their money on this donation unless they are very interested and enthusiastic about the displayed videos. It was very easy for him to rapidly grow up when he had been having this kind of engaged audience. It was his first step to earn huge profits from advertisements and sponsorships. Number 4. Relying on viral giveaway campaigns to generate more interest from brands. MrBeast relies on giveaways that he gets and then transfers to his friends, fans, or streamers. He knows that when he does these viral giveaways, he will get more and more deals from other companies like Quinn, who like the publicity. The next giveaway he did was actually the first time he ever donated to Twitch streamers. The video was titled "Donating $10,000" to random Twitch streamers, and it was also sponsored by Quinn. But since this video was sponsored, MrBeast actually had thousands of dollars. This was the first time he actually gave a Twitch streamer money, and the streamer's reaction made for hilarious video viewing. After a few weeks, Quinn wanted to do another video with him, which was MrBeast's 4th sponsored video with this company. And of course, MrBeast continued to do other content in between, but back then he had no idea that brand deals were even real. MrBeast thought it was crazy that companies kept giving him tens of thousands of dollars to give away. In the next series of giveaways, MrBeast came up with the idea of donating money to attractive Twitch streamers, which was an idea he came up with by watching a lot of PewDiePie. One of PewDiePie's beams was about respecting women, and so MrBeast thought, hey, I'll just respect women on Twitch by donating money his way. So how much do these quality videos cost? Well, let's take a look at a few of his preferred videos, one of which is named, I Put 100 Million Orbeez in My Friend's Backyard. This video had over 50 million views. On Amazon, a package of 50,000 Orbeez costs $6.99. And assuming he has a Prime membership, i.e. free shipping, in another video called Last to Get Rid of the Hand Gets a Lamborghini Challenge, the object of the simple challenge was to see which person would be the last person to remove their hand from the car. The last person would actually win a Lamborghini, which was valued at $201,999,000. But during the actual challenge, the ultimate winner actually ended up splitting the $20,000 with another guy who participated. But either way, MrBeast spent a lot of money on this video. But with 33 million viewers, he probably made that money back. Speaking of cars, MrBeast also made a video called Destroying My Friend's Car and Surprising Him with a Brand New One, where he does just that. In this very funny video, MrBeast actually destroys a car with a can of paint that costs from $15 to $20, 3 buckets of slime worth about $45 to $60, and actual explosives to blow up the car. Number 3, AdSense revenue. MrBeast has around 30 million subscribers and more than 20 million viewers on average because his video content that he creates is appropriate and acceptable for advertisements. This means essentially family-friendly content. So how MrBeast increases his AdSense revenue? He increases his AdSense revenue by preventing the following ads in his video. 1. MrBeast blocks some advertisements that make visitors quickly escape from the ad and don't return to the site again. These ads include social casino games, referrals for sex and sexuality, dating, religion, black magic, astrology and secret rituals, sexual and reproductive health. 2. He doesn't accept free and cheap ads. MrBeast takes pains to upload suitable videos only with content that people find interesting and appropriate for them. He ensures his videos go viral by uploading videos to his personal blogs, his social media, and other sites. He has already made and promoted his own brand to his own site and works tirelessly to increase his fan and subscriber base. It takes that kind of dedication to do well. Despite his hard work, he's only able to retain the second most popular YouTuber spot. He still reserves the top spot for PewDiePie. Even while being in second place, MrBeast still needs to constantly come up with new and creative ideas for content and can't ever think of relaxing concerning the quality of videos being produced. Once you've got the content right, though, you won't believe how much he earns from YouTube. According to the Social Blade, he earns around $500,000 monthly. Number 2, corporate sponsorships. Companies like to see their products and services get noticed. MrBeast acts as a sponsor for these products and services, and companies are happy to pay MrBeast for doing the promoting by talking about their products in his videos. Companies only prefer to work with influencers with a big number of followers and viewers, so the new YouTube content maker might not immediately qualify for corporate sponsorships until their videos get up to 10,000 or more viewer engagements. According to NailBuzz, MrBeast has a net worth around $6 million. With over 16 million subscribers and 3 billion viewers, he could be making averagely $30,000 a day. Social Blade estimates that he could be making between $43,500 and $696,100 per month, and between $522,100 and $8.4 million annually. This guy truly is a beast on YouTube. You may ask yourself how much to charge your YouTube sponsors. YouTube sponsors are commonly charged from $0.035 to 15 cents on average every single view. MrBeast spends between $1,000 and $3,000 per video, and that's not even a little budget when his video gets billions of views. Number 1, merchandise sales. MrBeast has his own website with lots of branded items to purchase. He earns a good profit by selling hats, t-shirts, trousers, and more. MrBeast's success didn't happen overnight, though. It took MrBeast more than 6 years to build a perfect YouTube channel with a lot of fans and a lot of subscribers. YouTube merchandise is considered a great way to generate income through your YouTube channel and the development of your brand. While a large number of YouTubers, including MrBeast, get into the YouTube platform and create good content from the beginning, many others aren't as lucky and have to build up their audience engagement as time passes. Growing your channel organically may be a good way to get your video to go viral and may eventually lead to a large number of views and subscriptions. MrBeast started to think about his earnings and profits only when large number of views and subscriptions started to appear. And the first thing he did to earn revenue was to put advertisements in his own videos. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. See you there!